Hey everyone, what is going on? It's Wilson, and I'm here to make another video on one of the questions that I've seen in one of the live chat rooms, trading chat rooms that I'm a part of, is how to trade double top and double bottom. So in this video, I'll go over both and I'll kind of go over what it is. So this is an example right here, as you can see in this picture, of a double top. So there's the first top right here, you see, and then here's the second top right here, and it forms kind of like an M shape. Uh, the thing about this is that another thing that you need to take note is that right here, the support line right here, so at where the M forms, this is considered the neckline. So neckline, and that's what you want to look at when you're trading a double top. So this is a trend pattern that happens quite a lot, actually, in a lot of stocks, and it's something that you need to be aware of if you're looking to do some swing trading or like some midterm type of trading, because you want to see the trends and how the stock is moving. So usually for double tops, it goes up, it comes down, and it goes back up, then it goes down. Now, not until it breaks this point right here, this part. If it goes lower under this support line, then it's considered a double top. But if it goes back up, then it's something else. So to be a successful double top, it has to break this neckline, this support line right here, in order to be considered a double top. So usually the trend, how it goes most of the time, is that once it makes a second top and it comes downwards, it starts to continue going down and then it'll come back up. So when it starts to go down, this neckline right here, this support line, becomes the new resistance line. So that's something you have to take note of. Now, this stock didn't drop too much before it started to go back up right here to the support line. But usually what happens is that when a double top forms, the stock will drop way lower, like down here. And then it could even go lower. And then it'll start to slowly climb its way back up and test this new resistance. So the old support becomes the new resistance in the double top. And if it can break this, then chances are it will continue to go up and then a new trend will form. So if it does go up, like a new trend will form right here. But it's going to test this new resistance line right here, which was the old support. And for double tops, usually what you can predict is that once it goes lower it goes below the support line, it'll continue to drop. And they'll come back up eventually to fill that gap on the old support, which is the new resistance. And then they can trend higher and try to break the tops again and break the new gaps up here. So that's one thing you want to look at when you're looking at a long-term analyst, like 20 days, 180-day trend line, and you want to try to identify these double tops. Personally, I'm not a big fan because it can go either way, and I do trade some double tops, but not all the time. The next one I'll be going over is double bottom. So this is what I like to trade. This is my comfort zone. Double tops are great. I mean, they're a great way to spot a trend, but it's just not really my comfort zone. And but it is a comfort zone for a lot of other people. So for double bottoms, what it is that it still forms the shape that we're looking at, but it forms more of a W. So it goes down, and it comes up, and then it goes down again, and it comes back up. Now this support line right here is what is the two bottoms. So the first bottom is right here, and then here's the second bottom. So this is the double bottom. It's a reversal trade. And the trend for this is that usually once it drops and it comes up to this neckline, remember the neckline we talked about with the double top, then it drops again and it comes up, and once it breaks this neckline, chances are it's going to keep going up. So that's why I like trading it, because I like trading with the trend. So if I see a trend like this on a swing trade, I will get in. I will get in. This is one of my favorite things to trade. And as soon as it hits this bottom support line and it breaks above the neckline, then it will continue going up. So I like to get in and ride the trend. And this can happen over the course of a swing of maybe 1 or 2 days. But you can profit a lot. See, if you were talking about this stock right here at 39, you could have probably even got all the way up to here, and you're like, hey, I think I made enough profit, and that could have been like $5-6 worth of profit right here before it drops back down. Stocks go up and go down regardless on how the market goes, right? It could be slower because of the volatility, but it does. And when you identify a trend like this, if you can get in on time, somewhere around right here where this trend line is, and it breaks the neckline, it'll continue to go up. So that's my way of trading double top and double bottom. I hope this video helped. And if you like what you're watching and you want more trading tips, then please subscribe and give it a thumbs up. You can always follow me on Twitter at itswilson8.